I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect steak recipe. First, select a high-quality cut, ideally 1½ inches thick or more, like a ribeye or New York strip. Pat it completely dry with paper towels to ensure a great sear. Then, season all sides liberally with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Let your steak rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before it hits the pan. This step is crucial for even cooking and a tender interior. Now let's get that incredible crust. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat and let it get screaming hot, almost smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side, creating a beautiful, deep brown crust. This initial sear locks in the juices and builds incredible flavor. After searing, reduce the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a few smashed garlic cloves, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the skillet and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter mixture for 2 to 4 minutes, depending on your desired doneness. Use a meat thermometer for accuracy. For medium rare, aim for 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the steak and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. After resting, slice your steak against the grain into ½ inch thick pieces. This ensures maximum tenderness in every bite. Arrange it beautifully on a plate and serve immediately with your favorite accompaniments, perhaps some roasted vegetables or creamy mashed potatoes. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.